everyone! Several days ago I arrived to the Vietnamese vacation with my family. Today I'm gonna take you with me to grab some matcha and show you landscape of this area. In general, this is my first trip to Asia and I'm very excited about it. Currently we are in Nha Trang, which is the city on the south part of Vietnam, and I'm enjoying very much. Local culture and local cuisine are amazing, as well as people are here very nice and welcoming, and yeah. Hi everyone, we arrived to the National Park and we're gonna see here some waterfalls and take bath in this famous clay here and some other things, and we'll discover Vietnamese nature. I stayed at the Hotel Signature in Nha Trang, and as soon as I arrived, I was blown away by the stunning bamboo architecture. Let me show you around. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice the entire space is designed with the bamboo details, the ceiling, the walls, even the furniture. Everything is beautifully crafted from bamboo, creating a unique and natural atmosphere. It feels like you are stepping into a modern eco-oasis, and the rooms are not disappointing either. The bamboo theme carries through here with lovely furniture, pieces and decor. And this is the view from our balcony. Nha Trang beautiful coastline and city skyline right after our window. Hi! It is almost the end of our Vietnamese vacation. We spent here approximately a week, and we didn't do much because the main point of this trip was to relax, to chill near the sea, to explore some local cuisine and to see the most famous places of Nha Trang.
It's the city where we stayed, and it's more a touristic place. And at first, I wanted to explore more Vietnamese nature and some villages which are located in the mountains. But then suddenly I realized that the most beautiful mountain locations are on the north of Vietnam, and Nha Trang is located on the south. So it was very hard and long for us to get there, so we decided just to stay in our city. There is a lot of fruits and seafood, which is my favorite type of food, to be honest, and I enjoyed and consumed it every day because it's harder to get those in Europe, and also this type of food is cheap here, and in comparison in Europe, where it's very expensive to get fresh seafood and especially tropical fruits. Well, as I earlier said, we didn't do much. We just went to the beach and to the local coffee shops, and we tried Vietnamese coffee because it's a country which is exporting coffee beans all over the world, and it was very tasty. Also, we went twice to spa centers because Vietnam is also famous because of its spa procedures. Once we went to the spa to get a Vietnamese massage, and the other procedure was a hair spa treatment, which I craved, and I was dreaming about it I don't know, for several years probably, and I didn't have an opportunity to get it in Russia and in Serbia as well, and my little dream came true, and I'm really happy about it. But unfortunately they could not treat curly hair. That's why they treated my hair like its usual straight hair, and that's why it didn't look nice in the end. But my main goal was to get a scalp treatment and to wash my hair properly, and to get tape and to get scalp skin peeling, and I get it. It was very relaxing experience, and I enjoyed it very much.